Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the masses of pack C and pack D, 450 gram and 600 gram respectively. By how many percent is pack C mass less than pack D? For part A, this is an interesting question. You would then see that we are comparing pack C with pack D. Okay, so the required percentage will then be 600 minus away the 450 gram. Originally, since we are comparing with pack D, we are going to divide by pack D mass. And this will give me 25% less. But if we are going to compare with pack C, then you will see that the percentage actually change depending on which we are comparing with. Pack D mass is more than that of pack C. Again, I know it's 150, but since you are comparing with pack C, I would then have to divide by pack C before I find the percentage, and this will give me 33.333 to 5 percentage to 5 significant figure. Followed by 33.3%, 3SF. So here, this is a general rule that if I'm comparing with pack D, then the pack D should be at the denominator. If I'm comparing with pack C, then the pack C mass should be in the denominator. That's something to take note of. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And to tidy things up more, so pack D mass is 33.3% more. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.